In this video, we're going to talk about how to get and use Coral Geode in Fish inside Roblox. So, in case you've been trying to obtain and then use Coral Geodes, here's how to do it and what's inside of them. So, first of all, to obtain the Coral Geode, there are two ways you can go by that. So the first one is simply by fishing, and these coral geodes can be caught in the desolate deep during spring or summer, but at any time or weather. So that's very important to note. So spring or summer, anytime or weather. They love magnets as bait, so it's definitely worth attaching some to your rod to increase your chances. You can catch them without using magnets as well, however, your likelihood of getting one is much higher if you actually do use the magnet. And the second way of getting them is by purchasing them, and you can purchase coral geodes for 600 of these cash kind of credits inside the game, so 600 money, from the shop next to the merchant NPC inside the desolate deep. And that's pretty much it. So by fishing and purchasing, these are the only two ways you can get them with. Now, once you get it, you may be wondering what you get from it. So once you use it and once you open a coral geode, you have a chance to obtain a few rewards. And the first one is cash, so you may get lucky and actually find some cash inside. However, it's known that they do sell for quite a nice sum of money too, so it depends if you want to take the risk and open one instead of selling it. Because if you open it, you may get less money than you would if you actually sell it to the NPC. Now, the second thing you can get in there is actually fish, so there's a chance to find desolate deep fish inside these geodes, although the chances of finding those really rare mythical and legendary fish are very slim, but it's a still great way to fill up your bestiary, okay? So just keep that in mind. If you are looking for fish and want to fill that up, you may want to open it, but if you're just looking for some money, maybe it would be better to just sell it to the NPC. And then the third thing you can get in there is actually bait. So having bait on your rod to help catch fish is very important, and opening those geodes is actually a great way to obtain some of various types. Now, that's pretty much it. That's what a coral geode is, how to get it and how to use it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.